Hey, Elle, do you want to hear how loud Mommy snores?
Yeah.
All right, come out here and put your head next to her, but don't wake her up. Come on. Come on. Be very quiet. Is that loud? Isn't that amazing? Oh, we stopped her. Oh well.